Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Retired doctors return as the region moves to safeguard healthcare services amid national delays.
Friuli Venezia Giulia has approved emergency measures allowing retired doctors to keep working through the end of the year to address staff shortages in public healthcare. The region has also approved an additional 23.5 million to fund the expansion of Udine's main hospital, covering the rising cost of the construction.
University of Trieste at the helm of €6 million push for the Adriatic's blue economy.
Leap to Blue is an EU-funded Italy-Croatia Interreg project with the University of Trieste and Zadar. It supports blue economy SMEs through skills development, innovation services, and nearly €3 million in cross-border vouchers.
So Leap to Blue project is a project between Italy and Croatia in the context of Italy-Croatia Interreg, the connection between scientific and academic researches and also a maritime industry.
Impact on the territory that is characterizing this area where we have the borders between different countries with the same characteristics, especially when we talk about the blue economy.
New jobs and growing port. 56 position open as Trieste looks to the future.
Friuli Venezia Giulia announces a recruiting day for HHLA PLT Italy at the port of Trieste, seeking 56 new hires to support growth of the region's strategic logistics platform this February.
Competenze che sono sempre più innovative, che possono avere anche bisogno di accompagnamento di formazione, ma su cui ALA ha già dimostrato di essere assolutamente disponibile a effettuare.
We have a requirement for increasing the capacity in operations. We are looking in a new expansion project where we gain another 180 hectares, which will be operational for the new terminal. We are looking as well for increasing our organization. So every year we have at least 40% increase in organization.
Iranian community gathers in Trieste to protest the regime.
Many gathered in Trieste's Piazza della Borsa, calling for freedom and human rights in Iran.
We are Iranian international students here in Piazza della Borsa, and we are gathering to tell the world the crime that the Islamic Republic is doing against our people. It's a complete massacre. There are more than 12,000 people killed in just 2 days. It's a total internet blackout. We haven't heard about our families, our friends, that they were participating in the protests. We're very worried. We're here gathering to ask people in Trieste to hear us, to be our voice, and let the world know that what Islamic Republic is doing by blacking out the internet. There are no videos, no news coming out of the country. We don't know. We don't have the exact statistics. They're saying much less numbers about the people that they were killed.
From oath to duty, Italy's newest police officers step into service.
In Trieste, 446 probationary officers of the 231st Training Course took their oath at the State Police Academy in the presence of top local authorities, part of a nationwide ceremony welcoming more than 2,100 new state police agents across Italy.
Treviso back on the world stage, speed, snow and Italian gold.
After 15 years, the Women's World Cup returns to the legendary Treviso. The world's top skiers are hitting the slopes, chasing speed, precision and Olympic dreams.
What are you guys rooting for today?
Sofia Goggia.
Sofia Goggia. And why?
We love her, we are Italian.
We're from Slovenia, so we're rooting for Ilka Štuhec. But we also want to see Lindsey Vonn because she's an amazing athlete.
Emily Shep.
Emily Shep. And why?
Because she's my best friend and yeah.
Here today.
It's the first time in our competition. They give me the gift for the Christmas day.
Yeah.
So it's the first time. It's a real good atmosphere. I like the people. I like the fun zone. I like the athletes.
We're here for Austria for Cornelia Hütter and all the Austrian women.
Grandissimo evento per il Friuli Venezia Giulia, ci sono due aspetti importanti. Il primo è che non è l'unico, ma arriva al culmine di un crescendo in cui la regione Friuli Venezia Giulia ha dimostrato di saper rispondere a quelle che sono le esigenze dei grandi eventi, degli eventi nazionali, degli eventi internazionali.
I really think it's an important opportunity for Regione Friuli Venezia Giulia, but also for Tarvisio to show itself and its great potential.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.